Business compliance firms versus in-house legal teams. Which one is better for corporate governance? Most corporate leaders get this wrong by thinking governance is just paperwork. The surprising truth is that business compliance firms and in-house legal teams offer very different approaches, and choosing the right one can prevent regulatory fines and operational risks. Business compliance firms specialize in regulatory oversight and risk management. They conduct audits, implement policies, and ensure companies follow laws like anti-bribery, data protection, and labor regulations. For example, a multinational company expanding into new markets can rely on a compliance firm to navigate local regulations, avoiding fines or penalties. These firms bring expertise across industries and are particularly valuable for specialized or complex compliance issues. In-house legal teams, in contrast, provide ongoing legal support tailored to the company. They draft contracts, review corporate policies, handle internal disputes, and advise on strategic decisions. For instance, an in-house team can guide executives on mergers, employment contracts, or intellectual property protection, while maintaining intimate knowledge of company culture and operations. So, which is better? Compliance firms are ideal for specialized expertise, external audits, or when a company lacks internal capacity. In-house legal teams are essential for day-to-day governance, ongoing legal support, and strategic guidance. Many companies combine both, using in-house teams for routine legal work and compliance firms for audits, training, or complex regulatory challenges. The key takeaway is that strong corporate governance requires both expertise and continuous oversight. The surprising truth is that integrating external compliance firms with an internal legal team creates a robust governance framework, reducing risks, protecting reputation, and ensuring that companies operate smoothly in an increasingly complex regulatory environment.